Section 1. Musk's 2025 fortune, a number in motion. As of today, October 25, 2025. Elon Musk's net worth is a staggering figure, estimated by most wealth trackers to be well over $200 billion. This places him firmly in the stratosphere of the world's wealthiest, often trading the top spot with Bernard Arnault of LVMH. This number is not a static measure of cash in a vault. It is a highly dynamic and volatile calculation, a snapshot that can shift by tens of billions within a single trading day. The primary reason, the very source of his wealth. Section 2. Deconstructing the billions, Tesla, and SpaceX. The bedrock of his fortune remains his stake in Tesla Inc. It represents the single largest component of his net worth. He holds hundreds of millions of shares plus a vast portfolio of vested stock options. These shares make his wealth both visible and volatile. Each tick in TSLA translates into his personal balance sheet, watched by investors, media, and the public. The value is paper until a sale occurs. This is a critical distinction. Large sales can pressure the stock and diminish remaining holdings, plus trigger taxes. The second pillar is SpaceX, his private aerospace company. No daily price, valuations come via funding rounds and private secondary trades. Section 3. The private empire. X, formerly Twitter, was bought in a 2022 leveraged buyout and taken private. Its valuation has been fiercely debated. Private internal marks guide estimates, and the transition has been turbulent. Goal: shift from ad-dependent to an everything app. Massive user base, cultural relevance, profitability, and stable valuation are works in progress. For Musk, X is both a multi-billion-dollar bet and a direct channel of influence. Neuralink is early but has hit milestones including human trials. Valuation rides on treating disorders and eventually augmenting human capability. Each credible demo has pushed valuation higher. The boring company is smaller, contract-driven, and revenue-tied projects add to his portfolio. Not as headline-grabbing as SpaceX or as controversial as X, yet tangible within the mix. Headline net worth is astronomical. Actual cash on hand is modest. His wealth isn't in a bank. It's tied up in ownership. To fund ventures, cover taxes and expenses, he can't just write a check. Historically, sell shares or borrow against them. Loans unlock liquidity without immediate divestment or capital gains. But stock-backed loans carry covenants, including margin calls. If prices fall, lenders may demand more collateral or repayment. Forced selling can exacerbate declines, creating a spiral. Exercising options can trigger ordinary income taxes at top brackets. Selling long-held shares brings capital gains taxes. In 2021 to 2022, he sold massive blocks, funding the acquisition and related taxes. Limited liquidity, reliance on debt, and looming taxes shape a more nuanced reality. In summary, Elon Musk's wealth in 2025 is colossal but fragile. Stability is a tale of two asset classes. Private, SpaceX, steadier but less liquid. Public, Tesla, the engine of extreme volatility, driven by sentiment, macro trends, and his own pronouncements. His ranking can flip in the time it takes to refresh a page. Compared with diversified empires and stable conglomerates, his profile is unusually volatile. His fortune can soar faster than anyone's, and fall faster too. The number is a proxy for industrial and technological power. It signals the market's view of his ability to execute. Upcoming catalysts: Starship operations, FSD adoption, a new mass-market Tesla, competition, and regulation. Ultimately, his fortune will mirror his ability to deliver on extreme technological promises.